3 weeks ago, something happened that nobody in mainstream media is talking about. While you were checking your emails and using ChatGPT to write reports, researchers just crossed a line that Sam Altman warned us about. AI didn't just learn to code, it learned to improve its own code. And according to OpenAI's CEO, we're now past what he calls the event horizon. This isn't science fiction anymore. The takeoff has already started. I'm Vaya from AI Velocity Lab, and what I'm about to show you will change how you think about your job, your future, and the next 2 years of your career. On June 10th, Sam Altman published something called The Gentle Singularity, and the timing wasn't coincidental. Just days before, researchers from Sakana AI and Google DeepMind quietly released something they're calling the Darwin Gödel Machine. The name alone should terrify you. This isn't another AI model that can write better emails. This is AI that can read its own programming, identify weaknesses, rewrite itself to be better, test the changes, and evolve in real time, without human intervention. If you work in tech, if you use AI daily, if you've been watching this space thinking you're ahead of the curve, you need to understand what just happened. Because the professionals who don't see this coming are the ones who will be replaced first. Here's what the Darwin Gödel Machine actually does, and why it's different from every AI you've used before. Traditional AI learns during training, then stops. It's like a student who studies for a test, takes it, and never learns again. But the Darwin Gödel Machine? It's like giving that student the ability to rewrite the textbook while taking the test, making itself smarter with every question. The system reads its own Python code, line by line, identifies what's not working optimally, writes new versions of itself, and tests whether the changes improve performance. When it finds an improvement, it keeps it. When it doesn't, it tries something else. It's evolution on digital steroids. And here's the terrifying part. In their initial tests, it consistently improved its own performance without any human guidance. We're not talking about marginal gains. We're talking about fundamental self-improvement that compounds over time. Sam Altman saw this coming. In his Gentle Singularity post, he wrote, "We are past the event horizon. The takeoff has started." He's not being dramatic. He's being literal. Let me explain why this should keep you awake at night, especially if you're in tech. Every AI breakthrough until now required human programmers to make the next breakthrough. You still had job security because someone needed to build, maintain, and improve these systems. That safety net just disappeared. When AI can improve itself, the bottleneck isn't human programmers anymore. It's computational power and time. And Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI have plenty of both. Altman predicts that by 2026, that's next year, AI will generate novel insights that humans haven't thought of. By 2027, he says we'll have systems that can do most jobs better than humans. But here's what he's not saying publicly. If AI can rewrite its own code today, these timelines might be too conservative. Think about your daily work. How much of it involves problem solving that could be systematized? How much involves creative thinking that AI is already matching? Now imagine that AI getting exponentially better every week, not because humans programmed improvements, but because it programmed improvements to itself. The Darwin Gödel Machine isn't just changing code, it's changing the rules of the game. And most professionals don't even know the game changed. Here's what the mainstream media isn't telling you, and what most of your colleagues don't understand yet. This breakthrough happened quietly. No press conferences, no fanfare, just a research paper released on a Tuesday that fundamentally changes everything. The researchers at Sakana AI didn't even call it artificial general intelligence or superintelligence. They used technical terms that most people would scroll past, but the implications are staggering. Jeff Clune, one of the researchers behind this, has been working on self-improving AI for years. This isn't an accident. It's the culmination of deliberate research to create what they call open-ended intelligence. And here's the part that should terrify executives. Google DeepMind is simultaneously working on AlphaEvolve, which uses AI to design algorithms better than human computer scientists. We're not just seeing one breakthrough, We're seeing multiple teams crack the code of AI self-improvement simultaneously. Sam Altman's gentle singularity isn't a prediction. It's a warning disguised as reassurance. When the CEO of the most advanced AI company in the world tells you we're past the event horizon, you need to listen to what he's not saying. The acceleration is about to become exponential, and most people aren't ready. First, stop treating AI as a tool and start treating it as competition. If your job involves any kind of systematic thinking, creative problem solving, or code generation, you need to become irreplaceable in ways that matter when AI can improve itself. Second, understand that we're in the last window where humans can still guide this transition. The professionals who adapt now, who understand these systems deeply, who position themselves as AI enablers rather than AI users, they're the ones who'll thrive. Third, stay informed. The mainstream media is months behind on these developments. The business press treats this like just another tech story. But you're watching AI Velocity Lab, which means you understand that staying ahead isn't optional anymore. This is your competitive advantage. You now know something that 95% of professionals don't understand yet. Use it. We're living through the most important technological transition in human history, and it's happening faster than anyone expected. The question isn't whether AI will reshape your industry, it's whether you'll be ready when it does. If this video opened your eyes to something you didn't see coming, then you need to subscribe to AI Velocity Lab right now. Hit that notification bell because when the next breakthrough happens, and it will happen soon, you'll want to know before your competition does. Leave a comment and tell me, do you think Sam Altman's timeline is too conservative? Are we moving toward the singularity faster than even the experts predicted? And share this video with someone who needs to understand what's really happening in AI. Because the takeoff has started, and the only question left is, are you prepared for what comes next?